So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, medyo matagal-tagal na yung last upload ko. I don't know if I'm not sure. Parang last 3 months na ata, and napabayaan ko na talaga yung channel ko kasi medyo na-busy ako from my work and yung other plan ko na hindi naman natuloy. But before that, tsaka natin pag-usapan yan, today I'll be reviewing the Fino hair treatment premium touch hair mask. Ayan, so ito yung actually late na ako nag review kasi I always make sure that I try the items, and nakaubos na ako ng isang tube nito. Tube ba tawag dito? I'm not sure. Isang bottle, whatever. So, ubos na ako ng isang bottle. And, napatunayan ko naman na kaya pala siya laging binibili sa store namin is maganda yung performance or yung pinapakita niyang result. And, dahil nga nasa face ako ng parang naglalagis yung buhok ko, and then prone to parang freeziness and then dry kasi nga I always using blow dry and then yung hair strengthener thinner. So, but before we proceed, please do subscribe. And then, thank you for who's still watching my videos kahit medyo hindi ako updated sa vlogs ko and then uploads. And then, even for sa mga intro, alam ko maganda na yung mga editing ng iba, sa akin ganun pa rin. And I'm still using this iPhone 6 hanggat gumagana pa siya, guys. Kasi wala tayong pambili ng bagong iPhone 17. And disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share yung aking honest review about this hair product. So, ayan, hindi ko na to i-edit kasi I don't have time and I'm just missing vlogging kasi sabi ko, napapabayaan ko na yung channel ko. So, ito nga yung old, makikita nyo naman yan, may pirma. Yan, may pirma dun sa sa store namin. Yan siya. Ito yung old, and I almost, isang gamitan pa to. I almost finished it. Tinitipid-tipid ko siya. Yan siya. Yan, maubos na. Isang pa to, isang gamitan. And I really like the smell, the after smell. Kasi di ba yung iba, ang bango niya, then right after na nag-jeep ka or natuyo yung buhok mo, wala na yung amoy siya. Nagstay siya, although not really longer kasi nga nagko-commute lang ako. Yung minsan kasi yung scent is nakakapagbigay sa atin ng parang a feeling of stress reliever. Ayun, yun yung unang-una kong sa kanya napansin. May scent siya, but in a sense not too strong like the other local brands na nandito sa Pilipinas. Do I have to mention it? So, alam niyo na, yung hindi ko naman sinisiraan yun kasi iba naman ito. This is 599 compared to that cream silk na laging buy one get one 299. It performs well naman, but it has paraben. Ito is based on my research, wala naman. And then talagang alam niyo naman, when it comes to mga hair skincare and then even technologies, Japan is still number 1. Wala akong masabi sa kanila. This Fino is from Japan. So, dito sa Pilipinas, meron pa lang silang hair mask and then yung hair oil. Yung hair oil, wala pa kasi akong budget kaya hindi ko pa siya na-review and nabibili. Pero minsan nagsisale siya. So, nabibili ko to, guys, kapag nagto 20% off. Kasi ang laki din nung naliles, almost 119. So, yun na nga, you can use it daily. Yes, guys, narinig nyo, daily. Kasi tinry ko siya nung medyo dry yung buhok ko, talagang sabi ko, I'll try to use it daily. And wala naman siyang bad effect on my hair. And then, ini-skip ko na yung conditioner ko. Hindi siya nagtitipid ako kasi parang, parang feeling ko pag nag-conditioner pa ako, may strip off siya, matatanggal yung treatment, sayang. Kasi usually nung mga hair mask na natatry ko na parang yung medyo mura, after, napifeel mo, kailangan mo talagang what do you call this, conditioner. But this one, guys, no need na. And, ang maganda pa sa kanya, guys, sa mga nagmamadaling women out there, working women, 1 minute lang siya. You don't need to put it, except na talagang may me time ka, you can use it at least 3 to 5 minutes. Yun yung nasa instruction. But 1 minute is enough. Parang kino-compare siya usually kay Subaki, but although Subaki is also made in Japan, and medyo pricey si Subaki. Si Subaki is 799. And ang packaging ni Subaki is gold. Gusto ko rin siyang itry, pero wala pa tayong budget, guys. Kaya, alam nyo, sulit na sulit itong Fino. At talagang medyo, what do you call this, ma-addict. Kasi, especially sa atin, di ba, you don't have time to go to the salon para what do you call this, pag may hair treatment, kasi you can do it by your own time and sa bahay mo, 'di ba? And then ayun nga, shiny siya. Tapos parang nai-strengthen yung yung mga hibla ng buhok mo, kasi usually 'di ba, tayong mga Pinoy, we always wash our hair every day, but actually, hindi naman dapat advisable na paliguan yung buhok natin. But dahil nga dito sa Pilipinas is, alam niyo na ang pollution. So, we need to wash our hair, and then nagpo-produce ng oil yung ating, itong ating anit. Kaya, we always wash our hair. Ako naman, ang natutunan ko, I skip my shampoo. Parang every other day na lang ako nagsha-shampoo. What is most important to me is conditioner. Kasi yun talaga yung nag-detangled ng buhok ko and nag-detain. Ayan, may dadaan ng eroplano. So, kailangan ko na tapusin to. Kasi, I'll try to upload it tomorrow if I have time. And, so, that's, I think that's it. That's my video for today. Hindi ko siya edit to, guys, kasi wala na tayong time for that. Masasabi ko lang kay Fino, you tried it, and this is available. I'm not sure if available siya sa Watson, but it's available from Look at Me, SM Aura, Look at Me, Mall of Asia, and available din siya sa Mitsukoshi in BGC. Kasi Mitsukoshi is Japan mall, kaya mostly ang kinikater nila na products or items are made in Japan. So, yun lang, guys, ang aking video for today. Medyo tumaba ang atin nyo. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys!